Welcome to Belleville. This area of Paris is multicultural to the bone. You got so many choices of food here. You got Moroccan, Thai, Lebanese, Algerian, Korean, a lot of Chinese. We're basically surrounded by people who enjoy spicy food. I'm here today to talk about the hottest event of the week. It's called On Fire Paris. Let's go meet them and see what's up. Ça filme? So guys, I'm with... Faut que j'arrête de dire guys tout le temps. I am with Sonia. She organized everything today. Hi Sonia.
Hello.
What's going on here today? What are you doing here?
Alors aujourd'hui, lancement officiel des précommandes du livre On Fire, qui est un livre que j'écris sur le piment en France. Vous trouverez un spicy bar où justement on déguste des sauces artisanales françaises. Tous les crafters qui sont là, Sweat, Molo Molo, Chouzo, Rocketman qui fait pousser des piments sur son toit, pas très loin d'ici, et qui après fait ses sauces et qui est au spicy bar d'ailleurs. Et une expo qui s'appelle Ma main au feu. On montre le piment, comment on le photographie, c'est quand même un produit super beau.
I understand there's gonna be like a chili contest a bit later.
C'est un concours qui est à la fois de rapidité et de goût, donc il faut qu'ils finissent leur assiette, ils appuient sur un buzzer et ils ont 2 minutes pendant lesquelles ils ne doivent pas boire, pas manger, pas cracher. So it's a real contest and I think people need to train a lot, so good luck to all the participants.
You hear that? You guys need to train on your chilies, okay?
Yes.
Okay, here we are with Chouzo and friends.
We do some organic French-made sauce. We grow the chili, we grow the herbs we use, we grow most of the fruits we use.
You even make your own vinegar, right?
Exactly. The vinegar in which we infuse chili before we make the sauce.
So Jeremy is going to show us his backpack. What is going on here? Obviously, you got the Lucha Libre bag. Okay, good. As you do, carry around a full kilogram of chili, right? It's ultimate insanity. What's this, man?
It's a gift I got for Christmas, but it's not even funny. Like, it's the spiciest shit I have.
Okay, so this is sad. This is sad chili.
Almost sad.
And what's the name of your brand?
Hot sauce.
Is it complicated to make hot sauce in France?
It's hard to find the whole legal situation to make it, but there's a lot of people making it, so it's easy to get ideas and like exchange with people to make better stuff.
Okay. Do you think that French people, they eat a lot of spicy food?
Yes, I think French people like to eat stuff, so either it's spicy or not.
French people like to eat stuff. Remember that.
Okay, so you have to be fast, but you have to be tough. The slowest or the one who gets to drink food to help himself out.
And what is that button for?
That's when you're done eating, you push the button, open your mouth so I can check if there's nothing inside. 2 minutes during which you can't eat or drink. If you do, out.
It's gonna get very hot, guys. Watch out.
3, 2, 1.
What's your name?
Christophe.
Christophe, I understand you had quite a party yesterday. What happened?
Ouais, j'ai fait un peu la fête hier et j'aurais pas dû, je m'étais promis de rentrer tôt. Finalement, j'ai croisé un ami et ça m'a amené jusqu'à 10h du matin, donc tout va mal quoi.
Okay, so you slept 2 hours?
Yep.
And you decided for the hangover meal to have as much chili as you can.
As I can.
Nice.
What? In French we call it petit déjeuner des champions. Confident. I just might win.
Okay, Christophe, how do you feel? Comment tu te sens?
Quite bad, actually. The second one was very hot, really hot. Hotter than expected. So I lost, but avec les honneurs, comme on dit.
Okay, well done, man, well done.
Ok, j'en passe.
So it's a 1000 chili cake with an explosive ice cream for dessert. Hell on earth. Comment tu te sens maintenant?
Ça va. Ça pique toujours, mais ça va.
J'ai vu une larme couler quand même.
C'est émouvant. C'était émouvant d'être avec vous, l'ambiance, ça m'a beaucoup touché.
All right, it's raining now, time to go, but we had a great time. Please make sure you subscribe to PEPPERZ on Instagram, TikTok, and of course on YouTube. It really, really helps, okay? Let's go get I'll see you next time.